So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished repairing a main line, Schedule 40, 1-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe that comes from the irrigation over there. You can see the shutoff valve on the right, the main shutoff, the sweat, the copper valve that shuts the home down, and then of course a T right above it, and PVC over and down to another gate valve, a shutoff valve. And so they've got a line coming off the irrigation, and it goes around to the side. This actually right behind the fence right there, they've got 3 or 4 more zones right there. So this is a live feed for the irrigation. Next to it, looks like we've got a Class 200 pipe, another 1-inch pipe here that's kind of buried right now. But you can see there's one right there. There's got to be one more because you've got two valves, 2 zones over there. It doesn't mean it has to come here, but it could. So as you're digging up around here, just be very careful that you don't find this other line. It could be further in here, right there, or maybe it came out to the yard and made a hard turn toward the street and went out and did some more, hit some more sprinkler heads out there. Either way, proceed with caution. They're trying to get this tree root out of here, and so we jogged around it just to keep it out of the way while you're working. Can't stand on that, can't put any pressure on that. You got a lot of joints right there. That's Schedule 80 PVC pipe. So Schedule 40, about an 8 3/16 thick, and the Schedule 80, at least a full 1/4 inch thick. It's very durable plastic. So we jogged around that little tree root, got that glued back in. It's got to sit for about an hour and a half. We recommend sanding it in. So all these fittings, and even some of this pipe, the Schedule 40 pipe that's kind of hanging out in the middle of nowhere, we want to get sand underneath everything first. Sand is self-settling, and it's going to support this pipe so you don't get any downward pressure. If you get downward pressure, it begins to cause problems with all the joints, and so we don't want that. So we're going to grab some sand, sand it in, and then let it dry a little bit longer. Turn the water back on, and you actually don't need the sprinklers until it's your next watering day. I don't know if that happens to be today, which is a Saturday. Some is Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, others Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But if you can leave it off and the plants are in good shape, or you can hand water for right now, that'd be great. Just leave water out of this line. We'll get the house turned back on and leave the irrigation valve off. And outside of that, this installation is done.